Hi everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna discuss something that is uh, very important if you are in program developer, but it is always in good practice that you follow this. Okay, so this is comments. Today's topic is comments. So comment is something like it is not an executable line of code. Okay, it is basically for the developer reference. So that is for your understanding that what your code is doing, only for your reference kind of a thing. Okay. So in comments, we have two types, that is single line comment and multi-line comment. The same thing happens in Python, in other programming languages also, Java, C, or other programming languages. Say for example, say I have A is equals to, always A is equals to 10 is very boring, no? And high is also very boring. So let me say a single comment. Okay, single comments, single comment. And if I try to print A, okay. So what does this do? Here we are going to declare a variable and we are going to print it. That's it. That is the operation we are doing, right? And that value has been printed. So if you wanted to, like, if there is a newbie or like, somebody wanted to understand this two line of code, you can have a description of that, what or how does that line of code work, or what does that do. I can just have a small kind of an information like declaring variable A and printing the value, on the console, right? So if I execute it, I'll not be getting this line of code, right? Because that is only for the developer reference, for our reference. So this is helpful. The comments are very helpful whenever you are going to follow the module kind of programming. Like you have an 1,000 or 10,000 line of code and you wanted to trace back, or you wanted to know what the particular line of code is doing, then it is always very helpful to have this kind of a comment. Or suppose for example this line of code here, I have taken a simple example here, declaring a variable and printing that. So this is not an usual case, right? It is not always we are going to use a variable and print it. So it is like whenever you have an and function or a method that has got something like and specific purpose to do, and people wanted to understand what is it, or wanted to know what is the flow of that code, then you can have in and comment here. And the people also having the date and and person name next to this in the comment. That is up to your standards. Like if you wanted to have in without the name and the date, that is fine, but it is good practice to always include the comments in your Python code. Okay, so the first one is a single line comment. The next is a multi-line comment, which is like enclosed within the triple quotes. So for example, before to that, let me see, let us perform some of the arithmetic operations. Okay, say A is equals to say 20 and B is equals to 10. Okay, say we have print A plus B. Okay, and then we have print A minus B. I'm sorry, A minus B, and say I have print okay A by B, and we have print A into B. Okay, so what does this do? Okay, I have taken here, let me take it as A1 for our internal reference, not for our reference it is. Anyhow, the value of A is overridden, as we have seen in the last class when we were discussing the ID function. So now this is only for our difference. I had made it as A1. Okay, don't get confused with that. So here now, even if I do not have it, I'm going to get the same thing, because we had discussed in the last class itself. The value A is single comment now, and it gets overridden to 20. So A will be having the recent value, that is 20 itself. So here the first is A plus B, 20 plus 10 is 30, then 20 minus 10 is 10, and then it is 20 by 10 is 2. That is the double, it has been represented as 2.0, and then into 100, I'm sorry, 20 into 10 is 200. So if I wanted to have a comment for this, so this is something like see, you can see the color difference there. Okay, now I'll just have in kind like in performing arithmetic operations, or yeah, you can do it as like performing arithmetic operations, like sum is, like you can just having like sum is plus, then multiply is into, then subtraction is. This is just a kind of like which gives you like division is, gives you an information, that's it. So this is just for our reference, for our reference, that is for our developer reference. That has got nothing to do with the execution of this line of code. That is why it is called as in comment. Okay, so this is a multiple line comments. Whenever like you you don't wanted to restrict your comment in the single line, you wanted to have one comment you wanted to explain it in like 2, 3, 4 lines or any number of lines. Okay, for that you can use this. Scanning the literal. Okay, here it is 4 quotes I have given. It is triple quotes, okay, not the 4. It is not even double, it is triple quotes. Okay, now you can see the difference. So here it's always recommended to use comments for your reference, and for the other developer reference, it is always good practice to use comments in your Python code. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So if you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and kindly help out your friends too. And if possible, try to do a lot of try to include this comments wherever you wanted to, even if it is make it as a habit or in practice to include comments, even if you write in single line of code. Like even if you are using a print statement, only the print statement, try to have a comment very next to it that it is going to print. This is a print statement, or it prints the value, something of that sort. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you all. Take care. See you all in the next video.